Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today we will solve some problems of the insurance. So let's start. The first question is, a cargo of rice was insured at 0.625% to cover 80% of its value. The premium paid was rupees 5250. If the price of rice is rupees 21 per kg, find the quantity of rice in kg in the cargo. Student, in this question, what is given? The first thing is given that cargo is insured only 80% of its value. Okay? And the rate of premium is 0.625%, and when the rate of premium is 0.625%, we are paying the premium amount is rupees 5250, and in that cargo there is the rice, and the cost of rice is rupees 21 per kg. So we have to find the total quantity of rice in the cargo. Okay. Solution. Let the property value of cargo be rupees X. Since the cargo was insured for 80% of its value, therefore policy value equal to 80% of property value. 80% of property value, as we considered property value X, so 80% of X, that means 80 upon 100 into X. When you solve this, you will get 4x upon 5. Okay. Rate of premium equal to 0.625%. Amount of premium is rupees 5250. Amount of premium equal to 0.625% of policy value. So, as amount of premium is given in the question 5250, now 0.625% of policy value, that means 0.625 upon 100 into 4x upon 5. Therefore, x equal to 5250 into 100 into 5 upon 0.625 into 4. Student, from this equation we are finding the value of x. Okay. Now, x equal to rupees 10,50,000. That means property value of cargo is rupees 10,50,000. That is, cargo contains rice worth rupees 10,50,000. As the rate of rice is rupees 21 per kg, so capacity of the cargo equal to value of the cargo upon price of 1 kg rice, which is 10,50,000 upon 21, which is equal to 50,000 kgs. The cargo contains 50,000 kgs of rice. Okay. The next question is, 60,000 articles costing rupees 200 per dozen were insured against fire for rupees 2,40,000 if 20% of articles were burnt and 7,200 of remaining articles were damaged to the extent of 80% of their value. Find amount that can be claimed under the policy. Student, what is given? There are some articles. How many articles? 60,000 articles, and the cost of article is rupees 200 per dozen, and these are insured against fire for rupees 2,40,000. If 20% of article were burnt, means we are insured the articles for rupees 2,40,000, and the 20% articles were burnt and 7,200 of the remaining article were damaged to the extent of 80% of their values. So we have to find how much amount we can claim under the policy. Okay. Solution. Given total number of articles 60,000, cost of article is equal to rupees 200 per dozen, that is one article cost rupees 200 upon 12. Policy value equal to 2,40,000. Cost of 60,000 articles, that is property value, is equal to number of article into cost of one article. So 60,000 into 200 upon 12, which is equal to rupees 10 lakh. Okay. Given 20% of articles were completely burnt. Therefore, value of burnt articles equal to 20% of value of total articles. Which is equal to 20 upon 100 into 10 lakh, which is equal to rupees 2 lakh. 7,200 articles were damaged to 80% of their value. Total value of 7,200 articles is equal to 7,200 into cost of one article. So we have 7,200 into 200 upon 12. So it is equal to rupees 1,20,000. So loss on 7,200 articles equal to 80% of value, which is equal to 80 upon 100 into 1,20,000, which is equal to 96,000. Therefore, total loss equal to value of burnt article plus loss on 7,200 articles, which is equal to rupees 2 lakh plus rupees 96,000, and the total loss is equal to rupees 2 lakh 96,000. Therefore, claim equal to policy value upon property value into total loss. As policy value is 2,40,000, property value is 10 lakh, and total loss is 2,96,000. Therefore, claim is equal to rupees 71,040. Therefore, amount that can be claimed under the policy is rupees 71,040. The next question. The rate of premium is 2% and other expense are 0.75%. A cargo worth rupees 3,50,100 is to be insured so that all its value and the cost of insurance will be recovered in the event of total loss. Solution. Given property value of cargo equal to 3,50,000, rate of premium equal to 2% and other expense equal to 0.75%. So let the amount of insurance, that means policy value, be rupees 100, which includes the premium of rupees 2 and the other expenses of rupees 0.75. Therefore, value of cargo equal to property value, value of cargo, that is property value equal to policy value minus premium plus other expenses. Policy value we are considering as 100. So 100 minus 2 plus 0.75, which is equal to 97.25. Now for the property value of rupees 97.25, the policy value is rupees 100. Therefore, for property value of 3,50,000, the policy value equal to 3,50,000 into 100 upon 97.25, which is equal to 3,60,000. Therefore, a cargo worth rupees 3,50,100 should be insured for rupees 3,60,000. A property worth rupees 4 lakh is insured with three companies A, B and C. The amount insured with these companies are rupees 1,60,000, rupees 1 lakh and rupees 1,40,000 respectively. Find the amount recoverable from each company in the event of a loss to the extent of rupees 9,000. Solution: given property value is 4 lakh, loss equal to rupees 9,000. Policy value of company A equal to rupees 1,60,000. Policy value of company B equal to rupees 1 lakh and policy value of company C equal to rupees 1,40,000. Now we know that claim equal to policy value upon property value into loss. Therefore, claim for company A equal to 1,60,000 upon 4 lakh into 9,000, which is equal to rupees 3,600. Similarly, claim for company B equal to 1 lakh upon 4 lakh into 9,000, which is equal to rupees 2,250. Claim for company C equal to 1,40,000 upon 4 lakh into 9,000, which is equal to rupees 3,150. Therefore, amount recoverable from company A, B and C are rupees 3,60,000, rupees 2,250 and rupees 3,150 respectively. Thank you.